All right, guys, this little video is going to be short and sweet, but it's just going to help you see how you can check your own email, and this way you can email me directly from your own email. So when you're in your Google Classroom, whenever you have your Google Classroom tab open, you'll probably see right next to it your Google Drive. Now, obviously, I have a lot more windows open because I've been using a lot more programs throughout the day. But when you log in, you should always have your sign-in screen for your Google Drive and then the Google Classroom. When you're on your sign-in screen for your Google Drive, you're going to see all of your quick access files, which are the things that you've used recently. You can see I'm in Cassidy's Drive right now just because I wanted you to see a student view and not a teacher view. You can see files that have been used recently. There's Google Classroom folders. There's all kinds of stuff. But when you're in your Drive, what you will see up here in the corner is this, we call it the waffle, the Google waffle. And that's all of your Google apps. When you click on the Google waffle, you're going to see Google Classroom, Google Docs, all that stuff. But this button right here, it looks like an M, but I actually think it's an envelope, or maybe it's both. Maybe it's supposed to look like an envelope and an M. I'm not really sure. But once you click on that, that's your email inbox right there. So if somebody has sent a comment to you, so obviously these are Ashley, I'm reading that name right there. These are Cassidy's emails that she has received. But if you want to email me because you have a question, then you click this button right here that says compose, and you'll start typing in my name, and probably it'll come up, but if it doesn't, hopefully everybody knows my email address, noel.thielander@dvusd.org. Make sure you spell my last name correctly. A lot of people put an extra A in there, okay? Type in your subject, hello, and then you can type your message. And obviously, I'm going to pretend like Cassidy is writing me an email right now. This is exactly what she would say to me, right? There we go. I wrote an email to Mrs. Thielander from her daughter Cassidy, and I'm going to click send. So now I can receive that email and reply to her, and tomorrow she can go right back to her Google Waffle, to her email inbox, and check the message. So that's a way that you can email me anytime you want without having to bother your parents and ask your parents to email me, so that we can make this whole process a little bit easier for everyone. Hope that helped you guys. Bye.